Hey everyone! Whether you're writing an essay, article, or report, knowing your word count is essential. Today, I'm showing you 3 quick ways to check your word count in Google Docs. Let me show you how. The most straightforward method is through the Tools menu. First, open your Google document, look at the top menu bar and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, select Word Count. A dialog box will instantly appear showing you total word count, character count, with and without spaces, and number of pages. If you want to see the word count for just a specific section, simply highlight that text first, then follow the same steps. The dialog box will show counts for both your selection and the entire document. Want to see your word count in real time as you type? Here's how. Go back to Tools, then Word Count. At the bottom of the dialog box, check the option that says Display Word Count while typing, and click OK. Now look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a live word counter that updates automatically as you type. Click on it to toggle between words, pages, and characters. This is a game changer when you need to hit a specific word count target. To turn it off, click directly on the word count display in the bottom left corner, then choose Hide Word Count. Here's the quickest method for power users. On Windows or Chromebook, press Ctrl+Shift+C. On Mac, press Command+Shift+C. This instantly opens the word count dialog without navigating through menus. And there you have it! 3 simple ways to check your word count in Google Docs. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more Google Docs tips and productivity hacks. See you in the next video.